Loon is about connecting the underconnected, connecting people off of a stratospheric technology, be out of the way of airplanes, but a little bit closer and easier to manage than satellites. And we thought balloons kind of were a great way to do that. Balloons are flexible, cheaper, so we're able to renew the technology more often and able to iterate quickly.
The balloons themselves are almost as big as a tennis court once they get inflated. By pumping air in and out of the balloon and predicting which ways the wind is flowing, our balloons can navigate to particular spots, and it can connect devices over an 11,000 square kilometer area on the ground below. Part of the really exciting thing about working in tech is that you're building products and services that are going to change people's lives. One of my favorite memories is when we worked around the clock to reconnect people in Puerto Rico after Hurricane Maria. In the case of disasters, one of the cruelest ironies is that that's when people need connectivity the most. They need to be able to communicate, to access information, and that's the time when the cellular network on the ground is the most vulnerable. We partnered with AT&T and T-Mobile, with some of the regulators to secure spectrum. We had a team down there installing equipment on the ground. And then we launched balloons out of Nevada, steered them down the East Coast into the Caribbean, where they reconnected 250,000 people.
Hundreds of people working on Loon right now across the globe. I hope that in 10 years we've created a global network that works together to bring information everywhere.
So I firmly believe that the future is going to require universal connectivity. When you think about self-driving cars, drones, and the 3.8 billion people who still lack access to the internet, it's a really compelling mission, and it's very exciting to get to build part of the future and make this a reality.